Hello guys, I welcome you all on my channel Mamta Nagrat. In this video, I am giving you all information about the law graduates who want to pursue their higher studies in Australia. How will they settle down? What are the courses? What are the options? What are the visa categories? And how much is the fee? Where the university is located? Every information will be covered in this video. So stay tuned till I cover the entire information in my video. And in case any of you want my services, you are most welcome to connect to me at my email ID mamtanagrat@gmail.com. That is first name and second name of my channel @gmail.com. So guys, let us start the video. So I will cover top 3 safest option in Sydney for students having LLB plus LLM plus corporate law experience, or if you have your law experience or a law degree in your home country, what are the options available. So top 3 safest options in Sydney. I will cover top 3 safest options in Melbourne, and then full comparison of fees plus job roles plus PR success chance. So at the end, I will also recommend my own recommendations. So let us begin the video. So if suppose international students want to go to Australia to pursue law as their higher studies to grow in their career, then the top 3 safest PR options in Sydney is PLT, admission as a solicitor via the College of Law / ANU route, and it is best route for PR. What is PLT? That is practical legal training. What complete practical legal training after your foreign qualification, then apply for admission as a solicitor. Where in Sydney, the College of Law NSW streams / GDLP options, ANU / GDLP placements for ACT options are also available to NSW admission candidates. Typical cost and duration is PLT providers list international fee of Australian dollar 12,000 to 13,500, and program length is of 15 to 30 weeks, varies by provider and the mode. PR occupation which you are eligible to get is solicitor, lawyer, and ANZ SCO code is 271311, and the MLT SSL is the code of the PR occupation, and it is a top PR pathway. Why we pick it in Sydney? High demand for lawyers and lot of law firms and in-house counsel roles, state nomination possibilities. The PR chance is very high if you complete admission and get local experience. Points plus state nomination options are also there. On number 2 is Master / Graduate Certificate Regulation, Compliance and Governance, UNSW. And what this course is, UNSW's Regulation / Compliance Program Graduate Certificate leads to Master are aimed at producing compliance / regulatory specialists. Typical fee is graduate certificate / master's level fee shown around Australian dollar 24,000 graduate certificate, and master's indicative fee are higher. UNSW publishes unit and degree fee expect master's AUD Australian dollar 40,000 per annum depending on the program. The PR occupations available for this degree is compliance officer, regulatory officer, MLT SSL / often in demand. Why we pick it in Sydney? Because UNSW is strong on compliance and corporate links. Sydney equal to finance and corporate hub. PR chances are high, relatively quick route to jobs that lead to sponsorship. On number 3 is Makari, Master of Legal Studies / Graduate Certificate in Law. What it means is shorter graduate certificate or a full Master of Legal Studies focused on corporate regulatory law. Typical fees and duration. First year fee for law masters of Makari are commonly in Australian dollar 30,000 to 43,000, in the range of Australian dollar 39,000 to 43,000. Range varies by intake, and graduate certificate are cheaper, and it is of single semester. This and PR occupations are compliance, corporate governance, and corporate services manager. And the PR chance is good, especially if you secure compliance work in Sydney's corporate sector. Guys, as far as the fee is concerned, you please go and check on the website of the university. That will give you the exact information about how much is the fee per semester. And the next comes the top 3 safest PR options in Melbourne. Number 1 is PLT, admission as a solicitor, Leo Susan Centre for Law, College of Law, Melbourne. What it means is PLT, GDLP provider in Melbourne. After PLT, you apply for admission in Victoria. Fees and duration is Leo Susan lists international PLT fee to equal to Australian dollar 16,000 to 18,000. International and domestic figures lower. Program length varies. Online, blended, in-person options are there. PR occupations is solicitor, MLT, SSL. Why pick it in Melbourne? Because Melbourne has a large law firm market, top tier firm, corporate headquarters, and strong placements via PLT providers. PR chances are very high, same as Sydney PLT route. Number 2 is Monash University in Melbourne, Master of Law or Master of Legal Practice, strong corporate law reputation, and fee and duration is master's level. International fee for law in Melbourne universities typically Australian dollar 40k plus per annum. Exact program fee on Monash website. And then PR occupation is compliance / in-house counsel / corporate roles, and PR chance is very high. Good university brand plus Melbourne corporate market. On number 3 is University of Melbourne, LLM / graduate diplomas, practice oriented options. What it means is LLM / practice oriented short programs, good for leadership, corporate counsel role, etc. Fee and duration is for LLM and graduate diplomas at Melbourne are similarly in the Australian dollar 40,000 plus per annum. Confirm on university page for a specific program. Please confirm on the university page. The possible PR occupations are corporate counsel, compliance, solicitor, if you later do PLT. And PR chance is high. Brand helps for job search in Melbourne. Now let us do the side-by-side comparison table, all 3 budgets and best course choices. If you have a budget of 18 to 25 lakhs, you can do a graduate certificate or graduate diploma in Macquarie, Griffith or in UC. The total Australian dollar total tuition fee approximately is Australian dollar 16,000 to 30,000, and duration of the course is 6 to 12 months, and the possible PR occupations targeted are compliance officer or corporate services, and the PR success rate is good to high. If you have a budget in the range of 25 lakhs to 35 lakhs in terms of rupees, then you can do a Master of Legal Studies or Master Compliance UNSW / Macquarie / Griffith. Australian dollar 30 to 65k, total of 1.5 to 2 years of expenditure. and the course runs for 1.5 to 2 years, and the job options are compliance officer, risk manager, corporate services, and the PR chances are very high. If you have a budget of 35 lakhs to 55 lakhs rupees, then bridging subjects plus PLT leading to admission to College of Law, Leo Susan, ANU GDLP. The typical Australian dollar tuition fee is approximately, PLT tuition fee is Australian dollar 12 to 18k. Bridging subject cost Australian dollar 3.5k per subject plus living costs. Total package of Australian dollar 25 to 45,000 k in terms of Australian dollar, and the course lasts between 6 to 18 months depending on the bridging, and the options of jobs are solicitor, lawyer, MLT, SSL, and the PR chances are strongest in this case. So guys, this is all about the possibilities of settlement if you have already a law background in your home country. So thank you very much for joining me in this video and listening to me so patiently. Thank you so much, and keep sharing and liking my videos, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye.